What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven and Tonic fam, Crow fam. I am back with some more bullish content for you guys. I am back with another banger of a video for you guys in this video. Always do your own research, guys. Always DYOR into projects. I'm about to share with you guys some information that I found on Tonic. About to dive deep into Tonic once again in this video about a person that was the person that started Tonic, and they had a ton of credentials behind Tonic, guys. They had a large amount of history and background in the space before they founded Tonic, and they had a lot to do with crypto.com as well. I'm telling you guys, I'm not sure if you guys know about this person already or if that's, public knowledge, but in my comment section I see a lot of people wondering who's the team behind Tonic. Do you know the team? Who is the team anonymous? Well, there's one person that with a quick Google search you could see who started the project. I'm not sure if they're still working on it or not, but the mere fact that they started the project and got it off the ground is the reason why I'm even more bullish on Tonic right now, guys. I'm super bullish after finding this out, because this I didn't know. No one shared it to me. It's only after me covering the project so much I found this information, guys. So buckle up. We're about to dive deep once again, guys. If this is something that you're interested in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get to 2,000 subscribers. We are so close to 2,000 subscribers, guys. Also support my Tonic playlist and my Tonic shorts. Like, comment, subscribe, share these videos out. The more people see these videos, the more Tonic gets out into the algorithm, and we have new people that get into the project and helps the project to grow. Now, before I get into all that information, all that saucy information I'm gonna share with you guys, let me just go over Tonic real quick on CoinMarketCap. Down 2.5% on the 24-hour, $26.2 million in market cap, 278K in 24-hour trade volume. Obviously, we can't just keep, moving up every day. There's going to be moves to the upside and then retraces, but the best part about this chart for Tonic is that it continues to hold the floor. It is holding the floor very strong compared to other altcoins. Other altcoins have either yet to start moving to the upside, or they're still retracing down even with a bullish market. I don't think projects like that will survive the bear market. Tonic, however, you could if this was the bottom, if the bottom was already in, you could clearly say and tell your friends Tonic has survived the bear market. 30,470 people on the watch list for Tonic. Take a look at the 1 month. Such a beautiful chart, guys. I'm telling you, it is looking like I'm taking a trip to Brazil and and meeting some bonita Latinas. I'm telling you, man, the chart is beautiful, guys. We are making some nice moves to the upside right here, and the chart is holding up so strong. The facts are in the charts, and all it takes is more bullish momentum for us to continue up further. Just by the market being bullish, expect even more parabolic moves. Expect it to go even more bonkers. And of course, Tonic has great utility, innovative technology, guys. One of the best DeFi projects in the space. Gary Orr, founder at Particle B. Now, I'm not sure if you guys know who Gary Orr is or not, but I've been doing my research and I found out some very interesting things, man. Gary Orr, founder at Particle B. Particle B is a startup accelerator dedicated to incubating projects built on blockchains including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the Cronos chain, crypto.com chain, with high potential to bring disruptive impact. Bank of America, right now, people can't get their money out of Bank of America, man. I pray that you guys, could get that figured out. I know how, painful that must feel. I saw someone in my comment section say they can't withdraw their funds. They have money stuck there as well that they can't get, right? I know how that must feel. But with crypto, with the future of decentralized finance, we will see high potential of disruptive impact to the typical financial institutions that we have now. Co-founder and CTO at Forex, Southeast Asia's universal money app, launching in HK and SG in Q1 2017. Man, the man has a lot of background. Longtime Ruby on Rails developer, Ruby 3 to Blossom, recently in love with Ethereum 2, Polkadot, ZK Snark technology, guys, zero knowledge technology, BLS Golang. I'm telling you guys, founder of Particle B, December 2020, present 2 years and 2 months. What is very interesting about that, guys, co-founder and CTO, Forex Limited, co-founder and CTO, Crypto.com. From June 2016 to December 2020, 4 years and 7 months. So he's now the former CTO of Crypto.com and co-founder of Crypto.com, guys. Crypto.com was founded in 2016 on a belief it's a basic human right for everyone to control their money, data, and identity. When I'm reading this, man, my heart is skipping a beat, guys. Think about all the people that are going through it with the banks. You think Bank of America was just a one-time thing? I really don't think so, guys. I really think it's gonna get worse. But with decentralized finance, with the Crow ecosystem, that is going to change. That is when you're gonna see mass adoption and a huge amount of retail investors get into the space and get control of their money, data, and identity. With over 5 million users on this platform today, Crypto.com provides a powerful alternative to traditional finance services, turning its vision of cryptocurrency in every wallet into reality, one customer at a time. So Gary Orr, right here, co-founder and CTO of Crypto.com, former co-founder. He spent 4 years and 7 months there from 2016 to 2020. But him being a co-founder literally started Crypto.com. Right here we have an image for you guys. Gary Orr, former CTO, right here, guys, and co-founder of Crypto.com. Where does this all tie in? Where am I going with this? Everyone is smart and geniuses in their own way. Everyone that's watching right now, you are literally a genius because you are ahead of billions of people. Think about that, right? The mere fact that you're invested in Tonic or, you know, getting into DeFi, you are ahead of billions of the human population. You are a genius, man. Shout out to all these people right here, right in front of us, that had a goal set in place for us as people to have the human right for everyone to control their money, data, and identities. How does this all tie into Tonic? Before I get there, guys, I have to show you this Reddit post after I found it on Reddit, guys. Gary Orr, CTO and co-founder of Crypto.com, launches Particle B. Now, he is the former CTO. We're excited to announce that Gary Orr, Crypto.com CTO and co-founder, has launched Particle B, an accelerator that will incubate DeFi projects built on Crypto.com chain, as well as the Bitcoin and Ethereum networks. Particle B believes in an open source internet of value and will invest in emerging and high potential technologies that can deliver disruptive results to the typical financial system, the banks, the institutions, the previous financial ecosystem. They left that part out. When you hear disruptive technology, you know that's what they're talking about. Particle B expects to launch at least one project per quarter in 2021, with DeFi being the first area of focus for the accelerator. Okay, DeFi, decentralized finance. Are y'all picking up what I'm putting down? Are y'all getting where I'm heading with this? In 2020, DeFi grew at an astonishing pace, with a total value locked close to $15 billion by December. With the imminent launch of Crypto.com chain mainnet, there's a clear opportunity to support projects built upon Crypto.com's new and ambitious blockchain. Projects that are built on the Cronos ecosystem. I wonder what project that could be. I wonder what project that could be. Right over here, the next article on Bybit Learn, by the way. Tectonic crypto earn passive income and access instant loans. We have a breakdown of Tectonic. Tectonic is a money market protocol with a decentralized, non-custodial, and algorithmic platform. With the Tectonic protocol, users can borrow liquidity through a quick process and enjoy passive yield. The new bank. We are the bank. Okay. History of Tectonic. Gary Orr, the co-founder and former CTO, Chief Technology Officer of Crypto.com, serves as the mastermind behind Particle B, which launched Tectonic in December 2021. So Gary Orr, the former CTO of Crypto.com and co-founder of Crypto.com, launched Tectonic. Particle B is a blockchain-based incubator or accelerator that supports high-value projects in the crypto market. Gary Orr, the mastermind behind Particle B, which launched Tectonic in December 2021. The former CTO and co-founder of Crypto.com. Someone that actually got it off, the co-founder. He started it. He's one of the people that was involved in starting Crypto.com, launched Particle B, started his own incubator project, and then launched Tectonic. And the information is right there for you. How could you not be bullish on this project? What? If that is not bullish info, guys, I don't know what to tell you. You could look into it for yourself, guys. You could look into it for yourself. Gary Orr launched Particle B, and he is the co-founder of Crypto.com, CTO, former CTO of Crypto.com, and then Particle B, his company, launched Tectonic. I'm sure for a fact he definitely still has his hands in Tectonic some way, shape, or form. Gary Orr is still looking to, push for the success of Tectonic, guys. This is such bullish information, and I'm not sure if majority of people in the Tectonic community or the Cronos community knows this. So now that I found the information, I just had to share it with you guys, man. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section about this. The video ran on a bit too long. I had some more information to give you guys, but I'll give you guys in the next video. Tonic fam, Crow fam, let me get your thoughts on this down in the comment section. We are doing our own research over here, diving deep into great projects. And if you guys found some type of value in this video, I'd really appreciate it if you could like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. It really helps the channel out. This is your first time hearing about Tonic. Let me get your thoughts of it down in the comment section as well. This is absolutely crazy stuff, y'all. Gary Orr, co-founder and CTO of Crypto.com, launched Tonic. What? What? Crazy, man. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.